Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account on Supercell. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in supercell.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Supercell website. Now just click on the ID button at the top right corner and then click on Claim. And now click on the Login with Supercell ID button to proceed with the login page. Now within this page, in order to create your new account, click on Want to register a Supercell ID. For this, you will need to use a Supercell game. Once you open up any Supercell game, navigate to the Supercell ID Connect button, and now you will see the Register Now button. Go ahead and tap on it, and tap on Continue, and you will be allowed to register and create your new account. Just type in your desired email address and type it in once again for confirmation. Then tap on Register, and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox within this email that you just entered. So just check your inbox and enter the verification code that you see within, received from Supercell. After entering this verification code within this given screen, you can tap on the Submit button, and then your Supercell ID will be registered and you will be allowed to set up your username within the Supercell ID. Once you set up your username, you will be logged into your game. And you can also set up your avatar, and this will begin saving your progress within this ID from now on. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new Supercell ID. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.